Hi, I'm Joshua Garcia. I'm a senior here at eHigh in San Bernardino. So in the business management pathway, there's a lot of lessons that teach you the basics about business, basics about the different types of businesses like LLC, C Corp, S Corp. It just covers basically what you need to know to run a business. I've gained a lot of real-world experience in this program through the projects connections I've made, because I've had to talk to some board people during events like the expo.
It's just like real world experience, like how to grow a business, how to present, how to speak in front of people.
I feel like I'm college ready after being here, because they prepared me with a good amount of skills that are needed for not only business and career, but like just life in general.
Like me, I have my own nail business, and this is helping me for when I want to grow my business.
My business name is Potentia Vision. It's basically a web development and social media marketing company. At eHigh, they taught me the skills that I needed to launch my business and to actually officiate my business, so I could actually use it in the real world.